Water moves round and round, from the sky down to the ground. It changes shape, it's like a trick. Let's learn the cycle, nice and quick. The sun is hot, the water gets warm, an invisible gas begins to form. It's called water vapor, it's hard to see, floating up high as light as can be. Evaporation rises to the sky, and transpiration from plants joins by.
High in the air it starts to cool,
Changing back like a swimming pool. Condensation makes a cloud. Say it with me, nice and loud. When the clouds get full and heavy too, the water falls on me and you. Precipitation is the name, it has 4 types. In this big game, rain, snow, sleet, and hail, falling down on every trail. Now collection starts its job in a splashy, watery moss. It's groundwater hiding deep, a runoff where the hills are steep in open water. It falls so free back to the river and the sea. Round and round the cycle goes, from the clouds down to our toes. The water cycle.
Please subscribe to the channel.